All right, let's unbox the Greenworks 60V20 chainsaw. First impression, this thing looks seriously powerful. Check out that sleek green design, classic Greenworks style. No gas tank, no fumes. Already loving the clean setup. This is the brushless motor, 80 volts of pure muscle. Electric start means no more yanking cords. Just push and go. Here's the 20-inch bar and chain, perfect for big jobs. Automatic oiler right here keeps the chain running smooth. Mechanical chain brake for safety, stops instantly if needed. Side access tensioning makes adjusting the chain super simple. Let's snap in the battery. It's part of the 80V system. Greenworks has over 75 compatible tools. Huge bonus. All right, time to fire it up. Listen to this. Wow, instant power, no gas smell, no noise pollution. Let's try it on this thick log. Cutting test time. Effortless, slices right through just like a gas chainsaw. No stalling, no lag. The torque is seriously impressive. Feels balanced and lightweight. Easy to control, even overhead. No maintenance headaches, no spark plugs or oil changes. Zero emissions. I'm not breathing in any fumes right now. The chain brake gives me peace of mind while working. Automatic oiler means less downtime, more productivity. Adjusting the chain is quick with the side access feature. Perfect for storm cleanup, firewood, pruning, or felling trees. Battery life? Easily handled my whole backyard on one charge. Compatible with other Greenworks 80V tools. Super convenient. 4-year warranty. That's rare for power tools these days. If you want gas power without the hassle, this is it. Great for homeowners, outdoor lovers, or eco-conscious users. Skip the gas, skip the noise, skip the maintenance. I highly recommend the Greenworks 80V 20 pounds chainsaw. Check it out, link in the description below.